You ever post a video, sit back, refresh the page, and nothing happens? Zero view, zero comment, and you start to wonder, what's the point? What's actually going on? Now, listen. Every creator you admire has been there before. Every big YouTuber started with a video that nobody's watched. But here is the secret. You don't need an audience for your video to actually blow up. You need to know how to make YouTube want to show it to one. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do that step by step. Even if you have no followers, no subscribers, you don't need to worry. Now, let's talk about how to make your video blow up from 0 views or 0 subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Double Cheese by name, and this channel, all we talk about is helping new creators grow, and also helping new creators get noticed, and also helping new creators build a channel that they've been dreaming of. If you are ready to go from 0 view to the real growth, hit that subscribe button right now and let me dive. Okay, let's talk about why 0 view is not actually the problem. Here is something most people don't realize. When your video has 0 view, it doesn't mean YouTube is ignoring you. It means YouTube hasn't found the right viewers yet. See, YouTube doesn't push video to people. It tests video with people. That's how it works. Every time you upload, YouTube shows your video to a tiny, just small group of audience to test that particular video. Maybe a few dozen of audience or just hundreds of users. If they click or watch or engage, boom, YouTube expand that test to a larger audience. That's how video blow up. So your job isn't to beat the algorithm, but your job is actually to pass that test. Let's start with the click, because if they don't click, they will never watch. The reason most small creators stay invisible is not because of their bad content. It's because their title and thumbnail don't make people curious. People don't click on video that look helpful. They click on video that make them feel like they will miss out something important if they don't watch. You understand? And here is the formula. Let me show you the formula. Let me show you the formula that always works every time. Curiosity plus emotion plus clarity will give you a click. Now, take for example, I use a title like how to get more view on YouTube. They would click. But what if I use why nobody is clicking on your video and how to fix it fast? You see a lot of click going on your channel or on that particular video. The second title is emotional. Nobody is clicking. It builds curiosity. How to fix it? And with that how to fix it, it's clear who this video is made for. You understand? So another thing is your thumbnail should match that emotion. You understand? Do not repeat your title on your thumbnail. You get? If your title says why nobody is clicking, your thumbnail can say something like, this is why, with your face shocked or confused. You understand? Remember, thumbnail make them stop, title make them click. That's just a simple fact. And if they finally click on your video, now you have just 10 seconds to make them stay. Most creators start their video like this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. No, it doesn't work that way. The first 10 seconds are not for greetings. They are for grabbing attention. Viral videos all have one thing in common. They give viewers an aha moment, a surprising moment. That's when the viewer suddenly feels smarter, inspired, or empowered. It's that moment when they think, wow, I never thought of it that way. You understand? You don't actually need a viral topic. All you need is a viral impact. So instead of saying, be consistent, say consistency only work when you improve between uploads. It's as simple as that. That's an out statement we are talking about. It reflects something they thought they knew. And that's what gets them shared, get them rewatched, and also get them commented on that particular post. If you want your video to blow up, never end with "that's it for today." End with momentum. You understand? End with momentum. The end of your video should push people to the next video or the next upload. Because the longer someone stay in your content or your channel watching your video, the higher your next video rank will be. You understand? And also that will also increase your watch time. Listen to me. Every viral creator you see today started exactly where you are, with 0 view and a dream. Like nobody is coming to watch, nobody is coming to click. The difference is they didn't quit before their breakthrough moment came through. So stop worrying about who watching right now and start building videos that deserve to be watched. You understand? Because YouTube doesn't promote channels. It only promotes moments that matter. Create those moments. Very important. Try your best to create those moments. And your time will come sooner than you think. And if this video helped you, drop a like, share it with another small creator like you who will be needing this. And also subscribe, because in my next video, I will show you the YouTube trick that triple my watch time in just 1 week. You have got this. Keep creating, keep growing, and I will see you in my next video.